So my friends, welcome to a new altcoin update video. Today we're talking about Cardano. After the crash, it's possible that we haven't even seen the bottom yet. You'll definitely find out how things are looking for Cardano in today's video. So definitely stick around until the end. But before we start, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course feel free to join the free Telegram Talk and Signal group. If you're interested in updates, news, and signals, feel free to join in. You can find the link for that for free in the video description. If you want to buy, stake, or trade Cardano, you can do all of that at my partner exchange BingX. Link to this is also in the video description, comment section. By doing this, you support the channel and of course my work as well. So, yes, we're currently trading Cardano at 76 cents. On the 4-hour chart, we still have this massive dip that went down to 50 cents. And when I say massive dip, I really mean massive dip. We did test it up here again, but in the P it becomes S, but there are still nearly 28% off of the WAC that hasn't been filled. And, sooner or later, inefficiencies and dips will always get filled. I already told you back then up here that it's very likely we'll at least fill the golden pocket, or here we fill this inefficiency. And down below, we have the next inefficiency at around 46 to approximately 43 cents. That would also be the second buy zone at the moment, at least. And we should definitely keep an eye on those. I'm not writing it off just yet, especially since everyone is still expecting a big fat altcoin season. You just need to put things into perspective a bit. I'm just asking you to think a bit more rationally and not get caught up in the hype. Unlike in 2021, we probably have thousands of new altcoins. We're moving into the millions, the 40 million range for altcoins and meme coins out there. The entire market cap we have is just as high as it was in the last bull run. So where is the money supposed to come from? Many layers possibly, and this is just a little theory of mine, of altcoins converting into BTC because BTC is significantly more stable. Maybe think a bit more about that as well. Just don't get caught up with such mouth predictions. I'll tell you now for the 10th time, 20th. Please think a bit more rationally about this. It's really, really important in this sector, and this dip will probably get filled sooner or later. The chance is definitely there. We do have a nice buyback here. We have a range formation here, all well and good, but in order to become somewhat bullish again, we have to at least take out these highs here at just under €1 or $1. That's really, really important. Up here is the P value, and up here are the last significant highs before the sell-off. Since then, if we take a quick look, we've just been sitting at the average, which means at 50% of this sell-off. So just be extremely careful if you're thinking about trading this right now. Honestly, I would stay away from trading at the moment. I'm telling you this honestly. We are in the range, have a small inefficiency towards the downside with, of course, also the vector candles. And towards the downside, the golden pocket is at about $67 plus the P value at 65 cents. That means that anyone who really wants to trade here should probably wait until we are down in this price range, that is, down in this red box, and the stop loss has to be somewhere in this area, because after that the crash will probably come down here and then it will probably go down another 29 to 30%, and then you won't be able to get in here with a swing trade. That means the only options Liability. And this applies to all altcoins at the moment. If you really want to trade them, wait until we come down here again, then you have a tight or a tightened stop loss. The option is to trade. Otherwise, I would just keep your hands off here. And if you do good DCA here, I will definitely do it like this, continue to withdraw the stakes after 100%. That means here was an order at 72 and here below at 54. That means you have an average of around 64 here. Let's just say that the current average of 64 cents would then mean 100% cheese. Pump. Let's take a look at that here. If we pull it up like that, 100% would then be this high up here at 1.32. Unless we get a better swing entry, which would then be in this green box down here, and then at 100% the stake is at least withdrawn, if not more. You shouldn't set your targets too high with 10 to 20 times. My overarching target is still a maximum of $2 and I stand by that. That's the golden pocket, the golden ratio, and that's it. I won't go any higher, and I don't want to burden you further with "we're going to the moon." Be clear about that, think it over, and feel free to share your opinions in the comments about what you think, especially regarding the DCA zone. Otherwise, I would say that's it from my side. If you have altcoin requests, feel free to write them in the comments below. Otherwise, I wish you a nice day. Take care until then. Ciao ciao, and as always,